ears. We gotta get out of here. Come on, Pinocchio. Don't wait for me. Never saw so many. Here's another one. Enough for me. Here's big one. Keep them in there, Figaro. Hey, Blubbermouth, open up. I gotta get in there.
Poor Cinderella.
Oh, thank you so much.
What's the matter?
Those ears.
Huh? Ears? Oh, these. Oh, that's nothing. Got a tail, too.
Lots of smoke. Smoke? Oh, yeah, sure. A smoke and fish will taste good. Wait, that's wood. Pinocchio, not the chair.
Hurry, Father, more wood.
Oh, what did we sit on if we...
We won't need it. We're getting out.
But how?
We'll make them sneeze.
Make him sneeze. Oh, that will make him mad. Well, it's about time. It won't work.
Hurry, Father. Climb aboard.
We'll never get by those teeth.
Yes, we will.
Hey, which way you go? Wait for me.
Hang on. Here we go.
Gesundheit. Wir kommen back.
Oh, we'll make it fast. Faster.
It's not us.
We made it.
Look, now he is back. I told you he'd be furious. He's gone.
Where'd he go?
Look out! Hang on!
He's coming back. Hurry.
He's trying to kill us. Get it, son.
Let's go back. Father!
Pinocchio, swim for sure. Swim for sure.
Father!
Save yourself. yourself. Don't mind me, son. Save yourself, Pinocchio.